Hey guys, it's me. I'm back to do another video. This one, I'm unpackaging, something I got from eBay. I'm very excited about. If I could get it open. Thought this would be easy. Let me try. Bear with me here. Come on. There we go, I got a pen. Higher. Sorry about my hair, I don't know what's going on with it. Anyway, it is the complete first season and the complete second one on DVD. They're still factory sealed. The reason I said, I'm very picky when it comes to my TV shows. Like, I love them in a box. If you could check, that's the last season of Buffy, and it's in like a big box set. I don't like when it comes in like these DVD things, and plus I know that both of these come in like a box set. Like, I'm pretty sure I saw it, so I don't know if I'm gonna take them back, or not taking back, because like contact the seller and ask if he could give me my money back so I could get the box set. But anyway, these I have to do, but yeah, it's exciting. It's so exciting, and I love this show so much. I'm a huge commentary buff, so both of these have commentaries. Hopefully it's not like Bones. The first and second season only has 2 commentary tracks each. Like, one season only has 2, and the other one only has 2 as well. So hopefully a lot of commentaries on this, because I spend a lot of money to win these, and it's not. It didn't even come in the box. I guess I should have asked. But anyway, yep. Just want to show you that. Ever since I ordered them, I was like looking through the mail every day to see when I was gonna get them, and now I got them. So I'm very excited. Yeah. I guess I'll just keep them, and then later on, I'll buy like the box set version of them, or maybe I'll just sell them. I don't know. But anyway, here it is. Season 1, Season 2, Once Upon a Time, and you best believe when Season 3 comes out, I'm going to be buying that as well. eBay sells them for really cheap, like, as soon as they come out, like, you know, like Walmart, Target, Best Buy, they sell it for like 34, 41, something, and, eBay, they sell them for like $15.99. Like, I believe like 20 is the highest or something. And they're still brand new, so hopefully that will happen like next year when they release season 3 on DVD. But anyway, I'm loving season 3. It's going fantastic. I can't wait till the next episode. So yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching my video. If you guys watched it, yeah, season 1. No, this is season 1. No, is it? Yeah, season 1, season 2. So, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.